Hi guys, the possibility to install Dusk or Herbstluft WM has been added to the ATT. Not only is it in the ATT, so any Kiro ISO that you download from SourceForge, Ctrl-Alt-E is going to launch the Arch Linux tweak tool. You can use it on anything Arch based. And if you want to know what anything Arch based is, you launch it from the terminal, right? But let me show you already this. Dusk and HLWM is just a click away, install desktop. Now, let's first launch it from here. So you see a long list of all kinds of desktops. Arch, Archbang, Archcraft, Archman, Artix, and so on, right? And other Arch-based distros, since it relies on Arch, right? And Kiro is Arch. If you do an update, you'll see immediately that we use Core, Extra, my personal repo, and Chaotic AOR. So this is basically a pure Arch distribution without the multi-lib thing, right? That's for gaming and stuff like that. Steam is there, for example. Now, the topic of the video is also the following. You can build ISOs. Ctrl-Alt-I is launching the Kiro ISO builder, which means you do not download from SourceForge, but you go and have build it from here. I just wanted to show you that in the configure, there is also the possibility, of course, to have HLWM or Dusk, so 2 extra desktops in the X11. Let's do the fix all thing here and make sure, voila, it has every possibility to do so. So it becomes root. Everything is green. Continue to configure. And in here you'll find, let's make this full screen. So decide what NVIDIA driver you want to have, if at all, right? If you select the first line, all NVIDIA drivers will be removed, right? So if you don't have NVIDIA, just leave this one open, just leave it like that. And then it's the fun stuff. Which Linux kernel do you want? Those are the Linux kernels, the official ones, official Arch, but CachyOS has also stuff, right? This is coming actually from Chaotic AOR now, because there is at this point in time, I don't think that CachyOS is available. Let's see, right? There is no line, there is no database of CachyOS, so the drop down is not there. CachyOS repo is disabled. Kiro's default. Enable it if you want to see more stuff, but then you download from CachyOS itself, right? Then you get all these things. More stuff in. And the second one, if you want to have 2 kernels, if you say, let's say, for instance, official Arch, I want to have Linux LTS, I have an old computer, that's the default one. And maybe the new guy, the new Linux kernel will work. This is first, this is second, or vice versa, up to you. But the topic of the video is simple. Dusk, HLWM, those are the new guys, and those are the things you can select. You boot up first normally in something desktop-like. It's down here, right? But you can decide to do otherwise. And try to immediately go inside something tiling, right? These 3 are tiling window managers, but then you need to know your keyboard shortcuts, for instance. And that's it. That's the topic of the video, right? Kiro ISO builder is changed. We have now the possibility to add more tiling window managers to our ISO, and all the rest is still the same, very much the same. You can make it, keep it a big, full, complete setup of all the apps that we've chosen from the free realm of Linux, right? Or decide not to deselect all and have a more selective thing, like I just want to have one browser and maybe some editors and players for audio and video and stuff like that, and just build it up like that is a possibility. You can add apps. We do not touch anything Office-like, so there's no Office on your ISO from SourceForge, but maybe you like to have that already out of the box present on the ISO. Just a click away, and then you need to build it, start to build, and that's it. Same things as ever. So if you want to know more about the Kiro ISO builder, there are plenty of videos about going to depth how to use it. Main point, again, right? These two guys are there. Bye.